Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord brakes. First, gather all your essential tools, such as a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a complete socket set. Next, make sure you have the correct new brake pads and rotors for your specific Accord model. Always prioritize safety by having gloves and eye protection ready before you begin. With your tools ready, safely lift your Honda Accord and remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Carefully unbolt the caliper, making sure to support it so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Once the caliper is out of the way, you can then easily remove the old brake pads and finally, the brake rotor. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. On another note, why not bring your garage or workspace to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? You can listen to music or even ask for torque specs while you work. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to install the new components. Begin by placing the new brake rotor onto the wheel hub. Next, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, reattach the caliper, making sure all bolts are tightened securely to the manufacturer's specifications. Double-check everything for proper fitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.